friends, welcome back to Tiny Tales with Tia, or should I say, Tasty Treats with Tia. Today we're making our very first recipe video. Can you guess what it is just by looking at these ingredients? Yes, it's Mango Lassi, a super yummy, creamy, and refreshing smoothie. Now let's go through the ingredients for this. We have sweet mango pulp, the same amount of yogurt, some nuts like cashews, almonds, and pistachios, a few chopped nuts for garnish on top, and a spoonful of honey for sweetness. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Add yogurt into the blender. Step 2. Add in the mango pulp. Step 3. Toss in the nuts. Step 4. Add in some ice cubes if you want it extra chilled for summer. And finally, step 5. A spoonful of honey for that touch of sweetness. Yum! Now make sure it's up to the max line in the blender so we don't make an explosion. Ask a grown-up to help you with the blender. Ready? Let's go! Look at that creamy, delicious mango lassi. Doesn't it look amazing? Let's pour it into a glass and garnish with the chopped nuts we saved. You can pick your favorites or even skip them if you like. It'll still taste amazing. And ta-da! Our mango lassi is ready to enjoy. Give this recipe a try. I promise you'll love it. And don't forget to watch this space for more fun, kid-friendly recipes. These are some of my favorites and also my dad's specialties. Thanks for watching Tasty Treats with Tia. Bye! See you next time.